Hi, this is Lara at Elliott Wave Stock Market with your weekly US oil analysis, recorded on Wednesday 17th of April after the sessions closed for Tuesday the 16th. I'm recording this video now 1:45 in the morning, very early on Wednesday the 17th New York time. Wave count remains the same and we got the downwards movement I was expecting after we had a little bit of upwards movement which fell just 25 cents short of my short-term target and then turned down for a third wave, which is what I was looking out for. This is all within a primary third wave down. Within primary 3 we've had intermediate 1 and intermediate 2 ends here. Within the third wave we have minor 1, 2 and the third wave is incomplete and must make a new low beyond the end of the first. Within minor 3 we have minute 1, 2 and minute 3 as well is incomplete. At 83.35 pink or minute wave 3 would reach 1.618, the length of minute 1. Within minute 3 we have minuet 1, 2, a nice strong third wave. That's exactly what a third wave should look like. I think we're in a fourth wave correction. The second wave at green or minuet degree lasted 3 sessions, so I'd expect the fourth wave to maybe last the same, about 3 sessions, or maybe 5 sessions, depending on what structure unfolds here. It can't move into wave 1 price territory. I'll move the invalidation point down now to 91.99. When the fourth wave is over, should be done this week, expect more downwards movement. The target may be met within 1 or 2 weeks now. Have another fourth wave correction, further downwards movement. The target for minor 3 still probably at least 3 weeks away. At 71.33, it will reach 1.618, the length of minor 1. Let's have a look at what's happened here on the hourly chart, where the start of minuet wave 3 up here is this point up here. So this is all within minute wave 3, the middle of the third wave. We have minuet 1, 2, a nice strong third wave, which does not have a Fibonacci ratio to the first. That means when we know where the fourth wave has ended, I will expect a Fibonacci ratio between the fifth and first or third. Depending on how long this fourth wave takes to unfold, I may be able to refine that downwards target for minuet wave 3 for you. We'll see how it unfolds. So we got the third wave down that I was expecting. After this moved a little bit higher, falling just 25 points short of my target. Price turned down with an increase in momentum, which is what we were expecting, and now we've got a fourth wave correction. Minuet wave 2 was a zigzag structure, so I'd expect minuet wave 4 to most likely be a flat. It could also be a double or maybe a triangle, which would see it longer lasting. So I'd expect it to be about 3 to 5 days of choppy, overlapping sideways movement to reach up at this early stage. The target will be 89.21, the fourth wave of 1 lesser degree, which is close to the 0.382 Fibonacci ratio for minuet wave 3 down at 89.41. The fourth wave can't move into the first wave price territory. We should draw a channel on the hourly chart around this downwards movement now, from the low of 1 to 3, draw the first trend line, and then place a parallel copy on the high of 2. If price does get up here, expect it to find resistance at the upper edge of this channel. And when the fourth wave is done, expect the fifth wave to be fairly likely to end midway in that channel or maybe around the lower edge. So I'm expecting a little pause in the downwards trend for 3 to 5 days in total before we see again new lows. This third wave at pink and the third wave also at blue or minor degree is still incomplete. If the next downwards movement increases further in downwards momentum, I may move the degree of labelling in this last piece of movement down 1 degree. It is possible that we do still have some pretty strong downwards movement ahead, but we also have a couple of fourth wave corrections coming up. Still, we should see new lows. That's all for me today with your oil analysis, and I hope that everybody had a fabulous week.